Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a quick and easy and tasty recipe. This recipe is mostly for the working parents that would love to eat a delicious curry and have no time. This is my own invention, calling it the three dhal curry. So I am going to use cans that makes the recipe much quicker and so much more tender. Here I have a can of gram dhal, which is 410 grams. I've also got a can of moong dhal, 410. I'm also going to use split peas dhal, also which is 410. And the rest of my ingredients are, I have a medium-sized onion sliced, a quarter cup of oil, 2 medium size of tomato which are grated, and then for my masalas, I've got 2 tablespoons of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of pure chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of hurdee. For my braising, I'm going to use a teaspoon of ginger garlic, 2 bay leaf, 1 small stick of cinnamon, and thereafter I'm adding in 2 chillies, but which is optional, half a teaspoon of mustard seed, and for taste I have 1 heaped teaspoon of rough salt. Then for my greens I have some curry leaf, thyme. Then to garnish I've got some fresh dhania and some spring onions. We will also have an extra braise from the top when the curry is done, which I will show you when I get there. Now I'm ready to braise. I've got my stove on medium heat and my pot is just getting heated up. I'm going to add my oil to my pot. And then I'm going to throw in my onions to fry. I'm going to mix my onions and allow it to fry till it's light brown. While my onions are just beginning to turn color, I'll throw in my cinnamon stick and my bay leaf. Give this a nice mix. Give it a few seconds. I added in my curry leaf and my thyme to my frying onions, and for some reason the camera did not record. To my braise, I'm going to add in my half a teaspoon mustard seed and my ginger garlic, and also I'll throw in my green chilies. I'm going to allow this to fry out. To my onions, I'm going to add in all my masalas. Mix them well. This is my gram dhal out of the can. I did not rinse it because I'm going to use the sauce. This will give it a nice thick gravy. So firstly I'm going to add in my gram dhal. I'll give this gram dhal 2 minutes to cook. Almost 2 minutes has passed and my gram dhal has come to a fry. And here's my moong dal, which I rinsed out because it was soaked in brine. So I'll throw in my moong dal next, and also my tomatoes. And I'm just going to put in my salt, and I'll give this a good mix and allow this another 3 to 5 minutes. 8 minutes has passed, and I allowed my tomatoes to cook out. And this is my canned pea dal, which is very thick. I am going to add it in. I'll mix this. And here I have 2 cups of boiled water. I'm going to add in my boiling water to make my curry come a little weak. If needed, I will add in more. In the meantime, while this is cooking, I want to quickly do my second braise. For my second braise, I've got my stove on medium heat, and I'm using a little frying pan. I add in my 1/4 cup of oil to it to heat up. My oil has heated up, and here I have a slice of margarine, which is most likely 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add it into my oil. And while that is melting, I'm going to add in my onions to it. I will keep stirring this onions till it's golden brown. This onion was a medium-sized onion that I sliced. My onions is nice and golden brown. To my onions, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of whole jeera. Now I am going to switch my stove off, and with the heat of the frying pan, my jeera will fry. I used up my 2 cups of boiling water, and this is also done. This will be able to feed 6 to 8 people. To my curry, I'm going to add in my fried onions. This is the second braise. I'm also ready to garnish with my spring onions and my fresh dhania. And thereafter, I'm going to switch my stove off, and I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely 3 dal curry from the cans. Quick and easy, and it tastes very tasty. It also go very well with some fresh toasted white bread to dip along. This is a good recipe for y'all to try if you're short on time, and using cans make the cooking so much easier because the dals are already soft. All you need to do is to just put flavor into the dals, and you'll get a delicious pot of curry. Thank you all for watching, and give this quick and delicious curry a try.